Today Utrue sponsored this hair, or blah blah blah.
Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you.
Hi guys, it's your girl being Natasha Nicole here, and I am coming through to give y'all this hair review. Thank you Utrue Hair for sponsoring today's video. They were so kind to send me this headband wig, and baby, she is giving what she was supposed to have gave, because honestly I was very skeptical about these headband wigs. If you haven't been watching my channel, you know that I do have a DIY headband wig. I make sure to leave that in the cards above. But yeah, I don't know, something about the black band that I just didn't like, but honestly she's giving. So I found a way to kind of finesse that black band so that you really didn't see it that much. I feel like everybody was wearing these headband wigs and promoting them, but they didn't look like realistic when you went to put a headband on top of it. And I was just like, I just don't like that. I just don't like that, which made me do my DIY one. But honestly, now that I've actually like tried one, it's giving everything that it was supposed to give. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this hair and what I did to accomplish to get rid of that little, you know, the black band, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, and like I said, thank you Utrue Hair for sponsoring this video. Yes, give it up for a sponsor. So in this package, it came with a little care thing. Tells you about how to take care of the hair, along with a wig cap, beauty blender, edge brush. You know, we all need those, you know what I mean? And of course it came with 2 headbands. So straight out the package, this is what the hair is looking like. Y'all, I was pleasantly surprised. Like, this store is actually on Amazon. So yeah, the hair was super soft. It came with 2 combs at the top. It also has 1 comb at the back. Of course I cut out the 2 at the top because I don't need that. And this is what the band is looking like, and the band stretches really well, so it gets tight on your head. I'm starting out with my Gorilla Snot Gel, of course, to slick my edges back, just because Gorilla Snot Gel is bae. If y'all don't know, if y'all ain't watched enough of my videos, then baby, Gorilla Snot is my bae. She holds me down. She does what she's supposed to do. And I'm just using just a regular stocking cap. Don't really matter what color, you're about to cover it all up. And I'm using you know, a little more snot gel to do my edges, and I'm using an edge brush that they actually gave me just to do a few edges, and I did the minimum edges, like, for sure. I just didn't have time for all that. So, and it looks a lot better when you do minimal edges than doing a whole bunch. And it's hot outside. And of course I'm using my handy dandy wig grip, my fave. You can find these at any beauty supply store anywhere. So now I'm just sliding it on. And I was really surprised at how tight it feels snug on your head, because like I said, I've always did my own DIY headband wigs, and it looks good. Like, you could just wear it like this, you know, nobody really notice, you know. So if you're just going for just a black sleek look, and this is what she's looking like. And now I'm trying to put on the headband that they actually provided. And this is the part where I say, listen, I don't be feeling it. I don't like when y'all be doing that. Like, all the black band is showing. Like, I don't like that. I don't like that, because it looks like a headband wig. I need for it to cover up everything. So I'm just going to pull this down, and I'm literally folding that band under to make it a lot thinner. And that's all you have to do for this, because don't nobody want the black band showing. That looks so tacky. So this way you cover it all up and you barely have any in the middle. Somebody had to be tall enough standing over you to see that. But now I like it. Like, we cool. Like, it's all gravy. And so now I'm just putting a few curls in the hair, because this was like a body wave, I believe. So when it came out the package, it just, you know, it's been in the package. So I'm just putting a few like really loose curls. But this hair was so soft, like unbelievably soft. Like, it just felt so good. And I've been wearing this hair to work actually, and held up great. I haven't even washed it, like, just because like it holds a curl really, really well. Here I'm not putting a lot of curls in. I was just trying to kind of like bump it, so that's why I was kind of doing it fast. But yeah, if you wanted to like crimp it or something, I'm pretty sure it will hold a great curl, or I know it'll hold a great curl. And this is what we looking like. I mean, I don't know how much simpler it gets to just have something just to throw on, to go to the gym, run some errands. This is the wig for you, or to wear to work. And we got both sides curled, and it looks so good. It looks so believable. So yeah, this is my little headband wig. Once again, thank you, Utrue Hair, for sponsoring this video. Y'all make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know if there's anything else you want to see. And like always, I will see y'all in the next one. Deuces.